Here I have POCO smartphone and let me show you how to use the AI automatic notes on the following device. So if you are a user of one of the newer POCO smartphones, probably you've got this amazing AI speech recognition feature, and let me show you how to use it. So let's start by opening the recorder right here. And now all you need to do is press this button. Alright, so now you are recording the sound. So you are creating the sound recordings, and as you can see, also your phone is using the AI speech recognition. So the phone is saving every word right here, and you can see the transcription of the following recordings. You can also here choose language if you would like to switch it from English to some other. So if the recording is in other language, you should switch it. If not, let's just stop it. The phone is saving. Alright, and let's tap it here. The first one. Alright, so now you are recording the sound. So you are creating. As you can see, here you've got the sound recordings, but you can also see here you've got notes. So you can see the AI summary. So the device created the summary for you. You can use it. So if you are on a meeting or on some class, you can just record the sound and then you will see the AI summary, which is pretty amazing. You can also see here the exact transcription if you would like to. You can here check out the following icon from the top corner, and you can select the target language. So you can, for example, switch it to Spanish, and the device should use the Spanish, but if the recording is in English, let's keep it English. Here you can also use this more icon and you can copy text, transcribe again, you can hide speaker names, you can save to notes, you can share or delete records. Let me save to notes. And as you can see here, we've got this amazing summary. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.